Minimalist House Design Ideas 2024. Welcome to my DPS channel, where we explore the latest trends in minimalist house design for 2024. Discover innovative and functional ideas that embrace simplicity, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. Join us as we showcase inspiring architectural designs, interior spaces, and decor that redefine modern living. Whether you're looking to downsize, declutter, or create a serene living environment, our videos will provide you with creative insights and practical tips to achieve your dream minimalist home. Step into the future of living with our curated collection of minimalist house design ideas for 2024. Embrace the art of less is more as we explore sleek, functional, and sustainable architectural marvels that redefine contemporary living. From innovative space-saving solutions to calming color palettes, our channel is your gateway to a clutter-free and sophisticated lifestyle. Join us in discovering the beauty of simplicity, where form meets function effortlessly. If you're captivated by clean lines, functional spaces, and uncluttered aesthetics, you're in the right place. Our channel is dedicated to showcasing the hottest trends in minimalist architecture and interior design for the year ahead. Explore ingenious ways to optimize space, incorporate natural elements, and create a sense of calm in your living environment. Subscribe now to stay updated and embark on a journey to transform your living space into a haven of tranquility and style.